So I have been asked, how do you add a person manually to a membership without having them go through the order form and pay? Okay, so this is the case, for example, where you have alumni and you want to give them access, but you don't want them to go through the order form process. So of course you can do 100% discount, but you can also just add them, especially if you already have them in your email system. So let me show you how that works. The first thing you want to do is you want to find out the tags that you need to give them in order for them to have access. Okay, so that means here that I'm looking at my offer inside AccessAlly. If I go to AccessAlly products and I go to the offer, and I see that I give people 3 tags: made purchase, member active, and lab as access, right? So now I'm going to go to active campaign, which is what I use for that membership. And I'm going to create a new automation that is going to be triggered by a tag that I called TML manual add. So it's a tag that you need to create beforehand, okay? And that's the tag that you're going to give to people if you want to give them access to the membership without paying, okay? So this is going to be the trigger for the campaign. And then all that I do is I give people these 3 tags. So you can choose to give people the made purchase or not. For me, I just do it because I assume that they've purchased in another place, and that's also triggering the campaign to send them the welcome email, okay? But the part that's really important for the actual access inside is the has access. And then for me, it's also the member active, because I want to have a tag for people that are active and that have not canceled, okay? And then you send this webhook here to basically synchronize with AccessAlly and create the user in AccessAlly, okay? So to find this URL, you basically go to your AccessAlly account and you go to Course Wizard, and it's that URL right here, okay? So then if I come back here, so once I've done that, I know that when I give this tag manually in Active Campaign, it's going to give people this tag, it's going to create their account, and then it's going to trigger the Membership Lab new sign-up automation. So let me show you that automation right here. So that's the automation that people get to when they pay, right? So on successful payment, if you come back here into my offers, you see they get the made purchase. So now they're back in the same funnel if you want, right? So I'm going to add people to 2 lists. This is, you can ignore this part here. This is where I basically add people as an affiliate as well, but you can ignore that part. But then what's really important is they're going to get their welcome email, okay? So that's basically where they get their login password. And then I send a notification to our team to let them know that we got a new amazing member. Now, if you want to send a different welcome to people, then what you can do is on this campaign, don't give the made purchase, okay? And then here, add a send email and just welcome them, you know, as an alumni or something like that. That works too, okay? Just make sure that you add them to the right list if you need to, all right? So this is how you manually add people into your membership or even an online course, and making sure that they have access to the same thing as people that have paid. If you enjoyed this video and you are not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.